Hello everyone, today we will explore the fire element through our yoga practice. The fire element is connected with Manipura chakra, solar plexus, which gives us energy, motivation, movement. It gives inner strength and confidence. So let's start in seated position and open our arms up. Go up and slowly fold forward. Stay here for some time and slowly go up. Now again, fold forward. Breathe and go up. One more time. Relax your head. Try to go deeper and go up. Now lean to the one side. To the center and to another side. To the center. To another side. To the center and another side. So go to center, stay there, lock your hands and go up like you're trying to reach and fold forward. Stay here and slowly go up. Open your arms and put them in the lock behind you and again lean forward, straightening the back and the neck muscles. Shoulders here are resting. Go up and start doing circles with your body to the one side. Breath in, breath out. So now change the direction. One more time. And start rolling your shoulders back and forth. Start moving your neck like you say no. Nod your head in yes. Slowly stretch your neck muscles. And now let's go to a staff pose, which is called Dandasana. It's a seated position when your spine is straight and you fold forward. Try not to bend the knees, maximum straight legs. Fold and stay here. Now come up and put one leg above another, cross your arm and try to twist to the back. It's called half lowered of the fishes pose. But basically it's a seated twist. So come forward and change the leg. Look back. You just feel the twist in your spine and also your hamstrings. Come back and let's go to a boat position. Open your arms and try to balance. Your legs are above. Hold the balance. Your core is burning. Now pull the knees to your chest, open up and put your arms high. Try to keep the balance. Now again, knees to the chest, boat pose. Knees to the chest, open your arms, hold the balance. Come back to seated pose. And let's go to a tabletop pose. Here we will do thread the needle pose. Open the right arm and put into your body. Another arm can be straight. You should feel the twist and the stretch in your shoulders. Your head rests on the mat. Come back to center and change the direction. Open your left arm, thread the needle, and lie on the left shoulder. Put your right arm forward. Now come back to tabletop. Put your right arm forward, your left leg behind, and keep the balance. Look forward, concentrate on one spot. Open up. And if it's possible, you can hold your leg and rise up even more. If it's not possible, stay in balance in table. Now switch the arms. Left arm goes forward, right leg goes back. Keep a balance. And if it's possible, now you can catch the leg and go even higher. Stay here as much as you can. And release. Go back to tabletop and to the child pose. Sit on your hips. Relax your head and your shoulders here. Straighten your arms. And slowly tuck your toes and go to downward facing dog. Stay here. Paddle your feet. Straighten your ankles. You can paddle even more. Now slowly go to your knees and go to the upward facing dog. So we will do this connection one more time now. Tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Paddle your knees. And slowly go forward to the upward facing dog. It reminds me of the fire flames. Again, downward facing dog. Paddle your knees. Your knees on the mat, forward, upward facing dog. The flame was released. Go back to downward facing dog, jump to the mat. Rise up in Urdhva Hastasana. Connect your hands to prayer and go to Tadasana, mountain pose. We will do some round of Surya Namaskar. Press your hands on the mat, step your right foot back. Open your left arm. Step your hands on the mat, step your left foot back. Downward facing dog, plank, chaturanga. Upward facing dog. With the exhale, downward facing dog. Step your right foot forward. Open your left arm. Put your hands on the mat. Step your left foot. Fall forward. And rise up in Urdhva Hastasana. Straighten your legs. And full Uttanasana. Step your left foot back. Open your right arm. Put your hands on the mat. Step your right foot back. Downward facing dog. Lean forward, plank, chaturanga, cobra, and downward facing dog. Step your left foot forward. Twist with your right arm. Put your hands on the mat. Step your right foot forward. Urdhva Hastasana. And come back to Tadasana. Now we go to balance section. Put your right leg up. Stay here for some time. Find the balance. Open your arms up. And now you can put your right leg on your left hip. When you find your balance, slowly step your right foot back in 45 degrees and open up in Warrior 1. From Warrior 1, go to Warrior 2 Look forward, hand in one line. Straighten your left leg and come to a triangle pose. Open your shoulders. And now put your hand above your head. Look forward and lean to another side in a reverse triangle. Now open your arms. I switch to another side. Open your legs and your arms in a star pose. Lean forward and fold. Try to touch the mat with your head and go as deep as you can. Open your right arm. Your left arm up. Come back to star pose and jump to Tadasana. Put your hands to the mat and come back to downward facing dog. Now plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog, tuck your toes, downward facing dog, jump to the beginning of the mat and come back to Tadasana. We will do the same balancing section on another side. Put your left leg up, open up in a tree pose, put your left leg on your right knee, open your leg and move your left leg back. Warrior one. Turn to warrior two. Keep your knee bended to your right knee. Straighten your right leg, triangle pose. Straighten your left arm above your head. And reverse triangle pose. At this point I started to feel a bit anxious about being in this location. Open your arms, star, and lean forward. Open your left arm. Open your right arm. And lean forward. And slowly go back to downward facing dog. Paddle your feet. Now plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog. And go back to downward facing dog. Jump to the beginning of the mat. And from here we go to chair pose, Utkatasana. Bend your knees and try to sit deeper. The legs should be burning. Cross your arms and now side chair. From here go again to Utkatasana and side chair or on another side. Come back to chair, sit even deeper and slowly go down to Malasana Yogi Squat. From here we will go to a crow pose if it's possible. So come a bit deeper to the mat, go back, continue being in Malasana. So how I do it, and concentrate on one spot. I put my knees on my elbows and with the strong arms try to put the feet above the ground and look forward. The key is concentration and looking forward. Try to hold the pose. If you cannot do it for now, just to try a couple of seconds and go back to plank if you can. Upward facing dog, downward facing dog. And now again we will try crow pose. Come back to yoga squat, concentrate. And with the strong arms, crow pose. Look forward. If you cannot do it now, it's okay. You don't have to do this sequence as I do. You can just try to do a crow pose. It comes with a practice. First year of my yoga practice, I couldn't even do it. So when you're done, go to child pose. From a child pose, we lie on the mat. And here we will do some bridge section. So pull yourself from the mat. Your lower back and your hips go up. You can lock your arms and try to go even deeper. Upper, if we can say so. Stay here for some time. So release. If you are ready today, come to a full bridge pose. Rely on your arms and your legs. When you feel comfortable, you can do small pulses with your body 3 times and do 3 push-ups with your body. If you are ready, you can lift one of your legs and another. I was a bit scared because I was just near the edge. So now go back and do a wind released pose, knees to your chest, and roll from side to side. Come to a happy baby pose. Hold your toes, open your legs, and also roll from side to side. Go back to reclined butterfly pose. Open your legs. Roll to one side in a twisted curl. Your head goes to another side. Your legs go to the right side. Go to the left side and your head goes to the right. You should feel the twist in your spine. And now relax fully, open your arms, your legs. We are going to Shavasana, our final relaxation. So notice the benefits of the practice. Did you feel the fire inside yourself? Do you feel more energetic today? So concentrate on these feelings and relax your forehead, your chest, your arms, your belly, your legs, your calves and your feet. You did a great job. So stay some moments with yourself and continue lying in silence. You can stay here as much as you want, but for me it's a bit hot, so I gently stand up and come to an easy pose. So thank you for joining our practice today. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next videos.